The Harvest Birds by Blanca Lopez de Mariscal.
After sitting and thinking for a long time, Juan decided to visit the oldest man of the town. Old people know many things because they've lived longer, Juan thought. He'll give me some advice, and maybe he'll even help me. Juan greeted the old man, whom everyone called Grandpa Chon, with respect. The old man seemed to be in a good mood, so Juan dared to ask him for a piece of land. "Let me prove to you that I can be a good farmer and make things grow," he begged. Grandpa Chon became serious. "I will help you," he said. "I will let you use some land. If you fail, however, you must work for me for free for as many days as you have used my land."
هيا تعلم، فالعلم خير معين، وتقرب به إلى الله رب العالمين.